If you want to hack someone's Instagram account, or I think you just lost your Instagram password, so you are in this video. So how you can hack Instagram account? In this video guys, I'll show you a way. And this is the testing way for me guys, and here by this way I just test this for the first time, and it's a real test for you guys, because in the some previous days I have hear a lot of talking in the Instagram and in the online in the YouTube platform or the Facebook that they have a best hacking tool for the Instagram accounts. Here it is, these are, and in this video guys we will review these Instagram hacking tools, and by that we will review it, can you perfectly hack your Instagram account or not. So to watch these tricks, I request you guys, please watch this video till to the end. I'm Mohammad Sajid Hassan with you, and you guys watching Sajid's Take. Before just starting this video, I request you as please like this video, share this video, comment this video, and I request you, if you're new in my channel, then please subscribe my channel, and if you do so still now, so thanks a lot, I dedicate this video for you. So here it is guys, we are back in the computer.